In this video, you will learn how to install your new Goodyear Assurance wiper blade onto a hook-type wiper arm. Step 1. Locate the H-type adapter that is pre-installed in the center of your wiper blade. It is 2.5 inches long and it tilts up and down. The cap is located on the upmost part of the H-type adapter, and it has the Goodyear logo stamped on it. Step 2. Place your index finger underneath the front end of the H-type adapter's cap and pull up, almost as if opening a soda can. Step 3. Ensure that the Goodyear cap is facing upwards away from the windshield. Line up the opening of the H-type adapter with a hook on your wiper arm. Insert the wiper arm into the opening, then pull up on the wiper blade as far as possible. Step 4. Close the Goodyear cap until it clicks into place. If you are not able to close the cap, please recheck Step 3. Step 5. Remove the yellow squeegee protector and gently bring wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. For wiper blades with Repel Max technology, please click on the Repel Max logo on your screen or on the link in the description box below for further application instructions. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website, www.goodyearwiperblade.com.